Hi, thank you for joining this presentation for our new promotional strategies. We all know we have been through a tough time since the pandemic. And if we take a look at our sales in the last 6 months, then we can tell since our online store launched, our sales has been going up, which is a good sign, but apparently it's still a lot of things we need to work on. Also, the market has been showing a sign for recovery, and that's the reason why our team thinks this is a good time for us to bring up some new promotional strategy so that we can make the sales boost up. So, the first part, we will put on some recommendations of our hottest items and our new trend design to our customers. We will need to figure out why these are our best sellers item. And to pursue this, we will need to set up a pop-up window for advising and a item review section. Offline and online, it's gonna do this in different ways. The second part is the membership policy. We will promote a membership system which our customer can sign up by their email, and it will cost them $1.99 at the first month. After that, it will be $9.99 per month. And they can get 50% off every time they purchase in this membership. A website upgrade will be necessary for us. To avoid our customer forget their items in the shopping cart, we will set up a shopping cart reminder email. It will include a seasonal discount code. As I mentioned before, we will also install a advising window and the item review section. To encourage more people become our members, we can let our customers invite their friends to be our member. And after that, both of them can get a $10 gift card. So that's all for our August promotional strategies. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. And again, thank you for listening.